Once you're logged in, you'll be able to view all the savings or mortgage accounts you hold with us. This doesn't include any accounts where you're a third party. Click on View Account for the account you'd like to see. Once in your account, you'll see all the withdrawals and deposits for the lifetime of your account. Also clearly shown is your total balance and your available balance, as well as your account interest rate. To view your other accounts, just click Back to your accounts. If you have a mortgage with us, you can view the account in the same way. And you'll see your remaining balance, how much your next payment will be, the next payment date, and the total term of your mortgage. Your security is important to us, so please make sure you log out of your account when you're finished.